Tonight, the Green Bay Area Public School Board will decide whether to approve a pilot program for portable weapon detection systems in their schools. It's another step as the district continues to try to beef up safety and security after finding a gun at Preble High School early in the school year. Local 5's Paul Stino joins us now live with more on tonight's meeting. Paul?
Yes, Stacy, and throughout this process, Superintendent Vicki Byer has acknowledged that she knows that not one single safety or security measure is going to make the district 100% safe. However, she feels like, and district staff feels like, that several of these safety and security measures working together when they're implemented in the school district, that they will make the school district safer and more secure, and that's their ultimate goal and why they're trying to do these things. Tonight at the Board of Education meeting, there is a recommendation on the table that's going to likely be voted on by the Board of Education. Board members will decide whether to allow district staff to move forward with a pilot program for one or more portable weapon detection systems at their schools. District officials would evaluate their effectiveness based on how they are impacting traffic flow at the schools, their effects on school climate and the kids' mental health, and if they are actually preventing weapons from getting into the schools. District officials and the Board of Education would then decide whether or not to make these changes permanent based on the results of the pilot programs. Now, the other big question is how much will this cost the school district? A district spokesperson said that staff will present the board with a number of choices, including one no-cost option. The spokesperson said they also have reduced cost options that they have been able to negotiate with the security companies. Superintendent Byer has previously said they are also looking into applying for a state grant that could potentially help them cover some or all of the costs. And Stacy, as far as kind of the schedule here tonight and what's happening here tonight, the board meeting begins at 5:30. There's an item on the agenda where they are going into closed session. That's expected to last about half an hour. And then around 6 o'clock, they will continue with their regular agenda, which includes the safety and security agenda item that we've been talking about. Live from Green Bay, Paul Stino, Local 5 News.